Can something this simple become one of the best vegan dishes you ever tried? Today I'm sharing my vegan version of a delicious dish that combines soft homemade lavash bread with a juicy, richly seasoned lentil filling. It showed me that simple plant-based ingredients can create an incredible explosion of flavors. There are no completed ingredients in this recipe, just wholesome homemade flavors that come together to create something truly special. First, I prepare the lavash dough. I add flour to a bowl and make a well in the center. Into the well I add sugar and yeast, then pour in some warm plant-based milk. I sprinkle the salt around the edge of the flour, cover the bowl and let it rest for a few minutes so the yeast can activate. Meanwhile, I bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook the lentils for about 15 to 20 minutes, until they're nice and tender. Then I drain them and set them aside. Once the yeast is ready, I pour in the remaining plant-based milk and begin kneading the dough. When it comes together into a smooth ball, I add the oil and continue kneading for a few more minutes, until the dough becomes soft, smooth and elastic. Then I cover it and leave it to rise. While the dough is rising, I prepare the filling. I heat some coconut oil in a pan and saute finely chopped onion and garlic. Next I add diced red and green peppers, followed by the spices, tomato paste and fresh chopped tomatoes. Once everything is well combined, I stir in the cooked lentils and a splash of water, and let everything simmer for a few more minutes until the filling becomes rich and thick. When the dough has risen beautifully, I divide it into 14 equal pieces. I roll each piece out as thin as possible and cook them in a dry pan, just like tortillas. This gives me soft, fresh lavash bread. Now comes the best part. I fold each lavash into quarters so I can dip the edge into the sauce more easily. I place it on a serving plate, spoon a few generous tablespoons of the filling over it, and continue layering until all the filling is used. To finish the dish, I cut it into 4 portions. Add plant-based yogurt and sprinkle everything with fresh or dried parsley. And now, let me show you my favorite way to enjoy it. I slide my fork under the edge of the lavash, wrap the bread around the fork, and enjoy every bite together with the rich lentil filling. It's simple, comforting, and absolutely delicious. This recipe genuinely surprised me. The lentils make it hearty and satisfying, while the homemade lavash gives it such a soft and juicy texture that I happily make it again and again. If you decide to try this recipe, be sure to let me know in the comments how it turned out and whether you added your own twist. And if you enjoy simple, delicious plant-based recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there's plenty more delicious inspirations coming your way. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.